Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M15, and today I will show you how we can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those toggles should be power saving, but hotspot toggle. So for me, it is right over here. Now I did get confused because it was power saving mode was enabled, but in any case, we have it right here. Now you could tap on it right away to turn it on, but by doing so, you have no way of knowing what the password is set to. So what I recommend doing is holding it. This will then quickly take you to the settings, and you can now glance at the password that is randomly generated. Now, another thing that you could do is actually remove this password and set up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, both. It doesn't really matter. Oops. There we go. There's also the option for you to change the hotspot name, aka the name of the Wi-Fi that will be created. And a couple additional options below that, like the AP band and security, which I do recommend keeping as they are if you don't know what these actually are. Anyway, from here we're going to select Save, which saves our change of password, and now we can enable our hotspot by tapping on the toggle. Now on this device it uses the same antenna, so it only allows us to have either hotspot or Wi-Fi, not both. We're going to select Turn Off. So it will disable your Wi-Fi while utilizing hotspot, so be very wary of that. So now anyone who connects to your hotspot with another device will be utilizing your mobile data only. And you can also see that it is enabled right here, and you have an icon in the notifications. Now, with that being said, because it does consume your mobile data, and basically by running in the background it also consumes more of your phone's battery, it might be best that you remember that it's running. So once you're done using it, I can turn it off, which will then automatically also turn back on your Wi-Fi. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.